Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the green line here is coming from, but that's also where the first update comes into play here. The bears took a big bite out of this one today, and that's represented, via the price, not even kind of breaking below that level. No, the price, shattered below that level. So that's where the first update comes into play, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside now, that 1167-ish area is going to be that first area, which you can actually see happen there. Price gap down below there, and then the next candle, try to get up above it, but that's right where it got rejected from before heading back downwards. So, I'm not saying the price can never, ever get back above that area. I'm just saying that it's not shocking to see that that level is now acting as resistance, and that'll be one of the main areas to watch if there is any sort of attempted bounce. Like I said, that'll be a big test for the price. If the price can push up through that level, next key level at that point would be the purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So you also want to keep a very close eye on that. In fact, if you go through the history of things, you can see that purple line has already been acting as a relatively annoying level, including from this morning. Price essentially got rejected right at that area. But you also want to get too far ahead of yourselves. First off, the price has just got to be able to break above that 1167 mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Just a question of where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was right down there at the 1120-ish area. So 1120-ish going to be that key level to watch moving forward. Like I said, just for the simple reason of that's where the downwards pressure finally stopped today. So all in all, yeah, bears went out today in a pretty big way. Not just a question of kind of damage control. And are the bulls going to be able to at least start to stabilize things? Or is this the start of a much bigger breakdown? We'll see how it plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.